Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. This video is about how you can remove programs from Windows 11. The first thing you have to do is to go to your apps and features. How to do this is when you right click on your start button, you can go to apps and features. When you click this, you will come, we will go to your apps and features. How to remove program? It's simply clicking right on the three dots on from the application. So feedback up is this one, and you click uninstall. When you do that, it will ask if it are you really sure you want to uninstall this app, and you click uninstall. Uh, that's basically it. Some programs will start uninstallation, and where you have to click next, next, and finish. This is the start where you can uninstall programs. Um, yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let it know in the comments, and please like and subscribe.